After receiving the package, check the components in the cabinet. If any parts are damaged or missing, contact customer service immediately. Step 1. Insert to J1 into the small holes of boards number 5 and number 6. Then fix J1 with G. Screw 4A into the small holes of boards number 5 and number 6. Position as shown in the diagram. Number 7 planks are spliced with number 5 and number 6 planks. Screw in for B reinforcements. Assemble all the above boards, securing them with 8 Bs and 8 Cs. Position as shown in the diagram. Join 4 pieces of board number 8 with 2 pieces of number 4, fixing them with Bs. Align the holes and splice them together. Use 8 Bs for fixation. Position as shown in the diagram. Step 2. Join boards number 9 and number 10 using 4 Cs. Align the hole on the cover. Assemble boards number 9 and number 10 into the table body as per the diagram, fixing them with 12 as 8 Cs and 18 Ds. Screw as onto 2 pieces of board number 11. Join board number 11 with number 12, fixing them with Bs. Step 3. Insert 2 as into each board number 14. Position as shown in the diagram. Join boards number 13 and number 14 as per the diagram, reinforcing them with 4 Bs and 4 Cs. Join boards number 13 and number 14 as per the diagram, reinforcing them with 4 Bs and 4 Cs. Join the assembled table legs with the table body, reinforcing them with 12 Bs. Flip the table 180 degrees vertically. Place I into the hole of board number 6. Fix I with G. Fix F2 into the hole of board number 10, ensuring the plug extends out. Then cover F2 with F1. Insert 3HS into the side holes of board number 3. Open H and screw 6ES to fix them. Insert the other end of H into board number 2 to join them. Then screw 6ES again for fixation. Step 5. Align to J2S with the small holes on board number 2. Then tighten with G. Screw 7 as onto board number 3. Position as shown in the diagram. Align the as on board number 3 with the table body shoals. Join them and tighten with B. Attach 6 and S to the table edge for impact cushioning. Open the J4 lids on both sides of J3. Join J3 with J1 and J2. Close the lid. Step 6. Join board number 1 with number 18. Tightening with 4 Ks. Join brackets number 15 and number 16 with board number 1. Tightening with 8 LS. Join rod number 17 with brackets number 15 and number 16. Tightening with 2 Ks. Join the 2 brackets with the table body. Tightening with 12 Miss. Position as shown in the diagram. Showcase the finished product. Once finished, if there are extra screws, don't worry, they are spare screws for you.